Today's job is for Associate Cloud Engineer in Sydney, Australia, and the company is Tabcorp. Tabcorp is Australia's leading gambling entertainment company, and they have more than 3,000 employees. They are a very diverse company. This job role is hybrid, so some days in the office and some days from home. Now, the most important thing is about the skills required for this job. This job is mainly around cloud operations, it seems, and their cloud platform team is a new team. So there are a lot of opportunities at varying level of experience. Most of the skills are around AWS. You should be good and well versed in AWS as a builder. And if you have exposure to other cloud environments like GCP and Azure, that is beneficial too. But more importantly, you should be good at infrastructure as code, mainly around Terraform and CloudFormation. Plus, you should have some exposure to configuration management tooling, and it could be anything, including Ansible, Chef, or Puppet. If you have worked in some of the tooling around Power BI, Cloud Bolt, Cloudability, that is also very advantageous. And you should have desire to drive continuous improvement and efficiency, as the case in any cloud operations or engineering job. So if you think that you are up to this job, then go to Tabcorp's website and apply directly with them.